Cooking show!
Okay, I'm gonna run you down what you need. All your ingredients. You got some, first off, you need chicken if you're making fried chicken. You need salt, a lot of it.
A lot of salt.
You need some pepper, a lot of pepper.
Loads of pepper.
You need a lot of oil, cause we're gonna
oil it up.
We're gonna some chili powder. You need some bowl. You need a milk.
You need egg.
You need some bowl and a milk.
And egg.
You need egg too.
2 egg.
Not 2 egg, egg 2.
How many eggs do you need?
Uno huevos. See that right there? That's flour. You need flour because that's what is good. That's what coats your chicken. See that?
Yeah, I can see it. Nice.
Okay. Last, but definitely not least, you need yourself some good dill. See that? You need some of that. That's what gives it its goodness. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your oil and you're gonna crack that puppy open. If it doesn't have a crisp sound, it's old. You can't have old oil, it's not good. You're gonna dump your oil in there, right there. Yeah. You wanna get some goodies. You wanna make it thick. Right there, that's probably good. Make sure your chicken, I'm doing chicken breast tenderloins. Make sure they are not frozen. You gotta make sure they're real floppy. You can't have stiff chicken, you have to have
floppy chicken.
Floppy chicken. Make sure you got some of that. Okay, so you got your bowl, you got your flour. You're gonna put some dill in it. You're just gonna sprinkle your dill in there, like that.
Nice.
Okay. You're gonna get your pepper. You're gonna put that in your bowl. Just however much you want.
Nice, nice.
Where's the salt? You get your salt, and you're gonna just, that's probably good enough. Okay, you need to take your chili powder, and you're gonna just like put a little bit of that in there, a little bit more, like that. This is what is known as your juice.
Your juice, cool.
This is your powdery to dunk your chicken. What you're gonna do is you're gonna stir that puppy up. Okay, so what you need to do, heat your oil up. If you have one of these, turn it in between the 4 and the 3. You gotta make sure it's in between. You can't have 3 or 4. Turn it, and you gotta have it in between 3 and 4.
Yep.
Facts. In between 3 and 4. Don't ever let it go over.
Or under.
Next, you need your next bowl. You need 2 bowls, by the way. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take some milk and you're gonna just dump that right in your bowl, like that. About that much is good. Just enough to dunk your chicken in. You're gonna take 1 egg because you're making chicken, you need a baby chicken. Just like cake. You're gonna crack that open and you're gonna...
You don't want the shell to get in there.
Nah, even though I might have done that. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands. I got juice on me. So now what you're gonna do is take a whisk.
Whisk.
And you're gonna whisk it up with that egg. Whisk it. I wanna put it down. Make sure you get all that egg broke up. Okay, so Jake here is going to give you a quick history on fried chicken while I do some stuff.
Okay, so Colonel Sanders, you know, he's like the god of chickens. He basically invented chickens, and in Kentucky he was able to start his own business, the Fried Chicken Kentucky version, and he's been able to make many of chickens now.
Good job, Jake.
Thank you.
Quick history lesson. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, let's get back to cooking. Okay, next you're gonna need a knife. You need parental supervision.
I am the parent.
He is. What you're gonna do, this is very crucial that you do this right. You're gonna poke a little hole right there on the chicken. You're gonna slice it like this. Like that. You wanna make sure you get it good. Oh yeah. Okay, now you wanna take that?
I will take.
Now you got your chicken. You're gonna wanna transfer these chickens to a plate. I will do that now. Wash your hands when handling eggs or raw chicken, because you don't want diseases. We're going to transfer the chicken now. One hand. You only need one hand for this. You're gonna grab your chicken and you're gonna do the transfer. Think about it. Say it with me. Chicken, transfer.
Chicken, transfer.
Chicken, transfer. Chicken,
transfer.
Come on, Jake, let's get to cooking. Your wash is the liquid. Your dredge is the powder, the flour, all that stuff. That's a dredge. What you're going to do is take one, preferably not frozen chicken,
Preferably.
dunk it in the juice, the sauce. Dunk it in your dredge. Flop it around, make sure it's all coated like a fun dip.
Yeah.
And then you can put it in the oil. But if you want extra crispy, you put it back in the juice, back into the dredge, and then you put it in the oil.
Yep.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your chicken. Look at that. That's some good chicken right there. You're gonna dip it in your sauce. You're gonna pull it out here. Can you take that spoon?
Yes, I will take the spoon.
Thank you.
Let me put it in the sink.
Sure.
Cool.
You're gonna take your sauce, your saucy chicken, plop it in your dredge. Now, you're gonna flip it. You're gonna get it over your fingers, so I hope you like stuff on your fingers. Because if you don't, then you might not wanna make this. Now, we like our chicken thick, extra crispy. So, you're gonna put it back in the dredge, flip it over, make sure it's completely coated. Then, you're gonna put it back in the flour, and you're gonna just kind of sprinkle it. You know what I'm saying? Like grab the flour, put it on top.
Yep.
Put some fried chicken on there. Yeah. You're gonna lay your chicken in the oil. Make sure it's real nice and hot. That's good. Now, next piece of chicken. Next piece of chicken, follow the same process. You can go a little bit quicker now that you know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? You gotta flip your chicken. Make sure it's real thick. And I'm not like an exact measurement type of guy, but you want your chicken to be like 165, I think. Either 165 or 180, I can't really remember. Hey.
So we have made the fried chicken.
Very nice, very nice. Oh yeah.
It smells very delicious.
Takes a very short amount of time, depends on how much chicken you do. So if you're bored during this quarantine, you know, just grab yourself a piece of chicken. And plop it in your sauce, put it in the dredge, put it back in the sauce, back in the dredge, into the oil, let it flop around for a little bit. Until you get this.
And then you have this, and this is good.
Well, we haven't tried it yet.
I bet it's gonna be good.
It might taste horrible.
It's gonna taste great.
Okay, let's eat.
Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. I would give it an 8 out of 10.
You know, listen, yeah, 8 out of 10. I would personally give it like a 10 out of 10. But I want this is like the first thing, so we gotta make a baseline for other things to compare to.
8 out of 10.
By far.
Oh, right.